This is the BodyGuardz Apex Privacy Screen Protector for your iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now this could very well be the best screen protector you can get. Now the price for this is $65, which is very expensive. So I want to know if this is worth getting for your 16 Pro Max. So right in front of the packaging here, they do claim that it is 20 times stronger than an unprotected screen. Now this is their Apex series, so this is their most premium screen protector. It's basically made out of ceramic glass, which gives it the best in class screen protection here. Let's go ahead and unbox this and install it and see if it's worth it. Now one thing to know before I open it here is that they do have lifetime replacements. So if this screen protector ever gets damaged or cracked, you can replace it for the life of your device, which is awesome. Right in the front here, we're gonna have a nice QR code for that warranty registration. And here we have the privacy screen protector here. And as you can see, this is a two-way privacy protection. So we're protected from the left and the right. There's no protection from the top or bottom, but just a left and right for those that want the privacy. Now they do have a clear version as well, so if you don't want this privacy, you can go for clear as well. Now another great thing to note is that this screen protector is also edge to edge, so it has like this extra black line surrounding the screen protector, which should make it look very seamless. Now it does come with some holes here on the top here for some alignment, so we're gonna go ahead and see what else we get. Now it does come with installation instructions, but don't worry guys, I'm gonna show you exactly how to put that on. So further inside, we're gonna have a cleaning wipe, a microfiber cloth, and finally some dust removal stickers. What's really interesting about BodyGuardz is that their packaging also has an integrated installation stand, which is really nice. You can see it has a full cutout for the actual Pro Max's camera system here. All right, before installing this, we want to make sure we power off our 16 Pro Max here so that we can see what's on the top screen. The very first thing we want to do is use this cleaning wipe, and we're going to pass that on top of the phone here. It's going to be nice and moist, and we're going to take a microfiber cloth here. All right, after we give that a nice wipe, go ahead and take the installation frame here, position your phone inside the installation frame, make sure it's nice and snug. Next thing you want to do before we put the screen protector is we want to use our dust removal sticker here, and we want to make sure that the screen is perfectly lint free. So using the dust removal sticker, we're just going to go right on top of the screen here, all around. All right, once you ensure there's no lint on top of the screen here, definitely place it down. And we're going to take the privacy screen protector here. We're going to peel off step number 1 here, which is going to reveal the adhesive side. Obviously, you want to locate the top here and place it on the top over there. So we're just going to align it with the holes. Okay, and it should automatically adhere itself, but I like to use my finger here to guide it from the top to bottom or from the middle. Whichever one you want to use. And you can kind of see here it is adhering on the bottom here. Alright, now that we have that full adhesion, all we have to do now is peel this off. And that's pretty much it. Let's take it off the installation frame here. And taking a closer inspection here, you may have some bubbles. So for example, there might be some bubbles here. You can always use a microfiber cloth here and apply just some pressure here all around to ensure that there are no bubbles here. All right, after a few seconds of that, we are left with a nice, perfect installation. And the best thing about that installation tray is that you have perfect alignment. It is perfectly centered. Another thing I like here is that this privacy screen protector also has the dynamic island not covered. This is very important because there are a lot of sensors inside of that dynamic island that reads your face. You also have your front facing camera, so you definitely want to have full transparency on this dynamic island. Taking a closer look here, you will see where the screen protector ends and where the frame of the phone is. You can see it leaves just enough space for case coverage here, and it does leave the earpiece fully exposed, which is another good thing to have. Taking a closer look at the sides of the phone here, it's really hard to see here, but this is where the edge ends here. So it is almost 100% edge to edge, but of course you want to make sure that you leave just enough space for cases to wrap around and not lift off the screen protector. So this is definitely a great coverage here, so I do like that. Now let's go ahead and fire this up and test out the screen protector performance. All right, now that we have it fired up, let's go ahead and unlock this over here and test out the smoothness. But first, let me increase the brightness here so we can have a better look here. And first impressions here is that it feels really smooth here. I always love the feelings of tempered glass screen protector, and this feels really nice to touch here. Definitely a lot better than the actual screen of the phone here. Now testing out the privacy here, of course, once you tilt it on the right or the left, you will see you have complete privacy, even at full brightness here. Now, having it at full brightness again, taking a look at the sides here, you will see that there is not a lot of light bleed. And that's a really good thing to have. And I'm just gonna go ahead and shut off the lights here to get a better look. All right, now that I have my studio lights completely off, what I like about this screen protector here is that when you're looking at it head on, you're not gonna see any type of light bleed at all. Only when you see it from the side here. So you know, for others looking at your device, and if it's completely dark, they will see some light bleed here. However, I will say that it is not as aggressive as other privacy screen protectors, since that edge to edge does help out a lot. All right, so with that out the way here, the colors look amazing here, very vibrant. Now, another thing that I like about this screen protector here is the thickness of the screen protector. It is very, very thick. Now, BodyGuardz themselves have done a ball drop test. They basically dropped a 130 gram steel ball from an 8 feet distance here, and compared to other screen protectors here, they have all basically cracked, leaving the apex standing nice and strong. Now, I don't have a ball, but I do have a hammer here. I want to say it's a pretty small hammer here. Well, I'm hoping my 16 Pro Max's screen is intact. So we're going to drop it from this height. I want to say it's about a foot off, and we're just going to drop it. All right, and after that drop here, and it looks like there is no type of chip at all. Really, really awesome. And let's see if I drop it at a much higher height here. I want to say this is like 3 feet here. All right, now that was definitely much more impactful here. And let's see here. Here's my microfiber cloth. Let's go ahead and do a nice little buff. Looks like it left like a little scratch, like a little tiny nick there, as you can see here. So it's very minimal that honestly you have to really nitpick, and that has to really bother you. But the fact that we have a lifetime guarantee, all I have to do is go on BodyGuardz website and request a replacement, no questions asked. You do have to pay for shipping though, but I don't have to pay $65 again, and that is for the life of your device. So guys, if this breaks on you, it could be 10 times, 20 times, 100 times. They're gonna keep replacing it for you, obviously, as long as you're paying the shipping, and you're pretty much good. That alone is worth the price. So all in all, guys, if you guys are looking for the ultimate protective privacy screen protector with two-way protection, then I really believe that this BodyGuardz Apex is one of the best that money can buy. Now, obviously, there are cheaper screen protectors on Amazon or wherever you want to purchase, and you can probably save a lot going that route. However, keep in mind that this 16 Pro Max starts at $1,200 for the base 256, and they can go a lot higher than that. So paying for a premium screen protector, in my opinion, is very worth it, because this phone ain't cheap at all. And me personally, I want to make sure I have the best of the best. I definitely recommend the Apex Privacy Screen Protector, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And a quick shout out for BodyGuardz for sending this out for me to review. They did not sponsor this video. They just simply sent these out for me to actually test out. And after my testing, I'm thoroughly impressed with the quality of the screen protector, guys. Hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. Firewolf out.